Hi again. So we are going to do some more editing here. Again, another lake picture at sunset, very dark, running out of light, but I was able to get enough just on her, even though this is dark. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust that in my settings. So I'm going to give it a pop, which usually gives a good color. Sometimes too much vibrance, so I'm going to bring that down a little bit. And then I am going to go ahead and bring some of these highlights down just a tad because I don't want this to be overexposed. And then the shadows up, which does do a lot. And again, this one is a little bit blurry, so I might have to fix that as well. We're going to hit smooth. I don't need much of a vignette here. Also going to try the bloom option. Hit apply. I also like the presets here, so I'm going to go to food, corn, apply. And then again over here, I'm going to just go ahead and bring up some more of those shadows down the highlights just to give more of the lake view. And again, maybe some saturation I'll bring down quite a bit. I'm going to leave it like that. And then again, since this one is a little blurry, probably because I was of my shutter speed there at sunset, so I'm going to go ahead and find the section where it gives it a super sharp. Now when I hit this super sharp, this seems to take quite a while, so I might pause the video here in a second and then come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, voila! Now this took out a lot of that blurriness and noise, and I like the overall picture, so I'm just going to hit apply. I'm not going to do too much more of this, even though this is really dark. I think the whole overall picture I'm okay with, and I like, so I'm going to save that, and we are going to go ahead and then turn it into a black and white, just because I like to do that for my clients. So we're going to go to the preset again. I like this one because it's easy. It's just like a grayscale-ish to me. And then I can adjust it over here with some shadows, bringing those up. Bringing some highlights down a little bit. Maybe exposing it a little bit. And I think I'm just going to stop there and go ahead and save it. So again, many things you can use in Pixlr Express. It's a great tool. I've been a photographer for many, many years. I've tried other ways to edit, and this has been by far my favorite for the multiple years I've been taking pictures and then editing and learning as I go, because we always learn as we go, right? So thanks for watching.